Yo, family, the Art of the Glass, and you know I'm back with another video. All right, up on the table, we got some Nicpro fine detail art line brushes. As you can see, I'm gonna unbox them so I can just take a look at them. These are gonna be something I use towards the next painting purse that I'll be doing. It's a commission for a client. All right, let me make sure taking it out the package correctly. Be a little gentle with it. All right, and I'm guessing it's supposed to be a number 3, which is the round. And these brushes I'm gonna basically be using for like fine details. So whenever I use my black Angelus leather paint, I can use these as my detail line. It's supposed to be really good from what I've been hearing. And the tips are pretty stiff. So instead of getting a paint marker every time, I could dip this in and then use this as my detail. Oh yeah, these are gonna be perfect. So yep, it's about to go down. Let me put this back in the package. All right. With that being said, anybody who's looking for some good detailed brushes, I will highly recommend these. I got these off for Amazon. I think I paid like eight, $9 for these. Again, these are by the company Nicpro, and these are some fine light detail brushes. So yeah, with that being said, if you got any information from out this video that you could be able to use, and you like the video, do me a solid, hit that like button, leave your comments down in the comment section, and let me know what you think of the video, and shoot me some feedback. I read comments and I will respond back. Hit that notification bell so you can be the first to click on the video and give it a view, and also subscribe. Again, subscribe to my channel, The Art of the Glass, and just like that, let's run those numbers up so I can come back to you guys with another video. All right, family? Peace.